So it is approximately 6:23, and I've been up since about 4:30, just watching the charts. Okay, we are on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, and I was just watching. Let's see what we were looking at. Okay, so we're here, and this is kind of like the bottom of the day right here. Okay, sorry. So this is where I got my stop loss. Okay, this is the low. Okay, so I missed this one. Okay, I missed that, and when it was coming here, I was like, thinking that I was gonna go for a sale. But what I did was I went to here, which was the hour time frame, and I saw that. Okay, and I actually, I think I made a couple of dollars on this one. I can't remember yesterday, but so I looked at that and I just saw how it just dropped. Right, it just dropped. So I'm figuring, looking over here, okay, if I put my line, my cursor, whatever, on the low of the day for November 15th to the 19th or whatever, it is, this one goes beneath that. Okay, so I'm like, it's got nowhere else to go but up, right? So we go to the bigger time frame to see what it, we'll go to the 4-hour time frame, see what that looks like. Okay, so again, you see the lows. Now over here, where my mouse is, it dips all the way down, right? But the average is right here where my stop loss is, right? So that's the average. So as you see, it goes up and down. And this is what I'm seeing. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Now, again, my analysis is nowhere compared to what the experts do. Okay, so that's why I'm not as successful as those guys yet. But this right here is just to get me to get comfortable with looking at the charts, and then my analysis will get, more technical as we go further. You know what I'm saying? So if anybody is, well, I'm not an expert yet. Okay, and I'm just showing you kind of what I'm doing. This is almost like what they do when they do live trading. Okay, so I got, and again, I have, this is money that if I lose it, it does not hurt, the everyday operations of my personal life. So this is money that I invest where it's going to be okay if it's lost. Hopefully we don't lose it, but that's what it is, right? So now let me show you something else that will probably scare you. Well, not scare you, but make it cause the pause the cause or whatever. So we go to the daily time frame. And right now, as you can see, now I have it on the Hakanashi candles, right? So those are for beginners such as myself. I don't think that the further you get into it, you'll probably get away from these candlesticks. I don't want to change it because I have all my settings set. But maybe if I went to another, let me see if I can't find another pair real quick. I'll show you how they normally look. Okay. Let's see. Can I do this? All right. So this is what the normal candlesticks look like. Okay. And as you see, they're more detailed in telling you exactly what the market is doing, right? So now if I change those, so let's see. All right, let's just go to this one. So, oops. As you can see in this area here, you can see the detail, right? So if I change the Hakinashi, I'm messing it all up. See how now it's not as detailed. It shows you kind of what the average is going. You see that? See how it just gives you more of a vision of what the market is doing for a beginner, you know. So this is like reading for kindergartners, you know. This is like expert stuff. You know what I mean? So, but yeah. This is what it is, man. This is what it takes. You know. This is what it takes, man. Hold on, let's make this bigger. Okay, you don't want to panic because I had this up to almost $4. It was up to almost $4. As you can see, it's moving towards $2 and $3 and stuff like that. And we're just gonna let it ride out. We're just gonna let it go because I'm thinking. Let's go to the 4 hour. I'm hoping that she come up somewhere around here. You know, it'd probably take her a while to go. Where my mouse at? There you are. You know, I'm projecting her to go maybe like this. You know, but this cloud here kind of gives you a forecast of what you may be looking for in the future because you gotta look. All right. As you can see, this cloud is almost 1 block ahead of the actual chart, right? Or the actual live trading or whatever. So if you look here, at this point, a block and some change is right here, starts to go up, right? And as you see, the green line is above the red line and it's going on a buy, right? So when you have the red line above the green line, more than likely that's probably going to be a sell. You know what I'm saying? So, and again, this is basic stuff that I'm talking. I do not know what I'm talking about. I'm still learning. Okay. But I am in iMarkets Live and I also do other things, but I got a special place in my heart for iMarkets Live, man. They the ones that got me into this. Without them, I would have never did this. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah. That's what it is, man. 6 in the morning. I meant to get up at 3, but I turned my alarm off, but I did get up at like 4:30. So that's what we're going now. We're waiting on, I'm still waiting on daggone Euro USD. Let's see, let's go to the hour. I'm still waiting on her to get up out of here. Out of this, as you can see, she's still playing. She ain't dropped out or she ain't hopped up. So she's still playing within the tunnel, you know, so we're waiting for her to get out the tunnel. And I'm thinking it's about to be soon because, what is that? That is the, what green line? That is the 50, the MA 50 or whatever. Again, I don't know what I'm talking about, but they about to cross. Okay, as you see the blue line, which is the 10, is about to, is above. So that's more of a sell action going. Okay. As you see the red line above the blue, buy. Ooh. Okay. I think, no, was that, it was this one I made money on. Yeah, that one. So again, you just got to look at the charts and make sense for yourself, you know. But this is where it comes to investing in yourself, where you go to seminars, where you pay for, you know, you buy books and all that stuff. Like this stuff is important that you do.